What happens if you put a bubble in a refrigerator? This guy decided to try it. First, he made a small bubble in his hand, carefully trying not to pop it. Then he walked over to the refrigerator, curious about what would happen if he placed it inside. Slowly, he opened the door and gently set the bubble in the freezer section, making sure it stayed intact. After that, he closed the door and left it there for 24 hours. When he finally came back and opened it, he was amazed by what he saw. I'll show you, but first, if you think this cat is cute and adorable, like and subscribe. Look at this poor cat. He's crying because he thinks no one loves him. If you love this cat, leave a heart in the comments and share this with everyone you know so more people can show some love. Back to the video. When he finally opened the refrigerator, this is what happened.